My pleasure to brief you on the Security Council's program of work for July, a month during which Pakistan has the honor to serve as the president of the council. First, high-level open debate on promoting international peace and security through multilateralism and peaceful settlement of disputes. It will be scheduled on 22nd July. Will be chaired by the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar. And the Secretary General is expected to brief the Council. And we'll also have the quarterly open debate on Middle East, including the Palestinian question. This meeting will reaffirm Council's responsibility to protect civilians, uphold international humanitarian law, and push for an immediate ceasefire, as well as a just and lasting solution based on UN resolutions regarding the Palestinian question.